This video will explain about conditional operator. So what is conditional operator? It is normally used to create a short if-else statement. So let's say you have a very simple if-else statement. Let's say this is okay, and if x greater than 2, so you say y, you want to assign 1 to y if x is greater than 2, else you want to assign y which is 2 whatever value here, okay, and you output what is y. Okay, so run the code. As you can see, the output is 1 because y is assigned as 1 because x is greater than 2, which is x is 5 greater than 2. Okay, so this is a very simple if else statement. Now you can convert this into a conditional operator. So the format is the expression. This is the format, expression, and then you put a question mark, and then you have the expression here, and then you have this colon, and then expression 1, 2, expression 3. Okay, so what happened here is that this is going to be the one that is first tested. This is going to be the tested. If it is true, so this is where the expression is going to be evaluated. If the expression is false, it will evaluate to this. It will evaluate this expression. Okay, so let's try this. So what we want to test is x greater than 2. Okay, and then you put a question mark here and put y equals to 1 if it is true. Okay, and y equals to 0 if it is false. Okay, so if you remove this thing, temporarily comment this out. Okay, as you can see here, this will produce the same output. Okay, so this will produce the same output as this one. So this is a simpler version of if-else statement. Okay, now as you can see here, it is assigning y equals to 1, y equals to 0. You can also simplify this by saying y is equals to x greater than 2, put a question mark, you put 1 here, colon, and then you put 0 here. Okay, so what happened is that, so whenever this one will result to true, if this one is true, and it will get the true value here. Okay, so it's going to assign 1 to y. If it is false, and it's going to take this value and assign it to y. Okay, so this is going to be the same result. Now you can also output this directly. Instead of assigning it to y, you can output it directly to cout here. So for example, you can copy this whole code here without the semicolon, copy it and put it here, put it in a parenthesis, and put the code here, and temporarily remove this one, and when you run this, you will see you will get the same output. Okay, and remember, the value that you put here can be any value, doesn't necessarily to have to be 1 or 0.